Consumer demand for little treats has boosted sales at Mr. Kipling owner Premier Foods. The manufacturer's sweet treats division, which includes Mr. Kipling, Cadbury Cakes and own label, saw sales rise 2.2% to £124.6 million for the 26 weeks ended 28th of September 2024. This was driven by branded revenue, which increased 6.1% to £105.7 million, while non-branded revenue fell 15.1% to £18.9 million. Premier Foods attributed the decline to a combination of contract exits in fancies and consumers switching to brands. Overall, the division delivered a contribution of £11.7 million in half year, slightly down on the £12.1 million delivered in the prior period. Margins were slightly lower due to elevated cacao prices, it added. Premier Foods sought to support its brand's growth with sharper promotional points across both the Mr. Kipling and Cadbury Cake ranges. Brand investment for the former continued through the period with the piano TV advert, while new product launches included Signature Collection chocolate and caramel layer cakes, indulgent loaf cakes and strawberries and cream fancies. Signature Bites also continued to perform strongly, with revenue more than doubling. Mr. Kipling is also performing well overseas. It delivered strong growth in Canada thanks to increased distribution, which means it is now available in over 1,000 stores across 2 major retailers. In the US, the momentum is focused on driving rate of sale on current distribution for the brand. In Australia, Mr. Kipling will benefit from new product launches in the second half, Premier Foods noted. CEO Alex Whitehouse said Premier Foods has delivered another really strong branded performance, underpinned by double-digit volume growth. Headline revenue, which includes the recently closed Charnwood and Knighton manufacturing sites for the group, increased 4.6% to £498.7 million, with brands accounting for £444.7 million of this. Non-branded revenue, meanwhile, fell 10.4% due to low margin contract exits, as well as consumers switching from own label products to branded ones. This demonstrates the success of our proven branded growth model, which was also supported by sharp promotional pricing. We gained both volume and value market share, outperforming the market as many consumers switch into our leading brands from own label. As inflation has begun to ease and shoppers are starting to feel more confident, we've seen consumers treat themselves more, helping sales of both Mr. Kipling, Signature Bites and Ambrosia Deluxe more than double in the first half of the year. Whitehouse added that there are exciting plans to place across all of Premier Foods brands in the second half, with Mr. Kipling's signature mince pies benefiting from expanded distribution. The business is also expected to see revenue growth from its UK branded core, extending it into new categories, overseas expansion and M&A activity or mergers and acquisitions.